specific time is called speed.
Okay, very good. So the distance traveled in a specific time is called as a speed. Now, suppose I say that the vehicle has okay, suppose I'll write like this, that uh, a vehicle or a car travels a distance of 700 kilometers in 14 hours. So what is the speed of that car? Who will tell the answer? A car travels a distance of 700 kilometers. So yeah, a car travels a distance of 700 kilometers in 14 hours.
Yes, sir.
So what is the speed of the object?
Sir, so 700 by 14?
15
Hmm?
kilometers per hour.
So 50 km per
50
hour.
kilometers per hour.
50 kilometer per hour. Okay, very good. So I know I'm very impressed that you all can do such small things. Okay, such things can be done. Now, can you tell me that is it necessary that the car travels every time at 50 kilometer per hour?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, 50
Yeah, Rohit.
kilometers is the average speed.
Sir, actually, this is my first class as I had final term exams of 8th grade.
Yeah, I'm starting from beginning only. I'm starting with average speed topic. Okay,
Yes,
since
sir.
this is the topic you all are aware. Okay, all of you are aware with this topic. So that is why I'm starting with this. And all of you are requested to turn on your camera. All your cameras should be on. Okay, some you can put some wallpaper or image background, that can be done, but you can make even your favorite game or Superman, whatever you want to put up as a background, you can use that. Okay, that will not be a problem. But the thing is that your camera should be on. Okay, so this is the question we have done. We did just now. A car travels a distance of 700 kilometers. Okay. Uh, just So the car travels a distance of 700 kilometers in 14 hours. So the car travels a distance of 700 kilometers in 14 hours. You are supposed to find the average, find the speed. So all of you told that the speed is 50 kilometers per hour, right? We got your answer. We got your answer as 50 kilometers per hour. So we are talking here of average speed. Now, why we are talking of average speed? Let's say it's not necessary that the vehicle is moving with the same speed. Is it necessary that the vehicle moves with the same speed?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. It can happen that the vehicle can have different speeds. It can happen like sometimes it has taken a stop, it has taken a break. Sometimes it is moving with a speed of so it takes a break and then it again moves. Sometimes it can happen like the vehicle can it's moving with 120 kilometer per hour. Okay. So what do we call to that speed?
Sir, average speed?
Okay, this is the average speed which we have calculated. When we say that the car is moving with a speed of 120 km per hour, so what is that speed?
Sir, constant.
That we call as instantaneous speed. We call that as instantaneous speed. That means the speed at a given instant of time. At a very given instant of time, we call that as instantaneous speed. Okay. So now, currently, we will be mainly doing questions relating with the average speed. We will do some of the questions relating to average speed first. So let's see average speed. So how we define average speed? Yes, how can we define average speed?
Sir, distance by time.
Distance by time. Okay. It's not just distance by time. See, average speed, it is defined as total distance over total time. Okay. It is the formula of average speed is total distance divided by total time. So total distance divided by total time will give you the average speed of an object. Now let us see some small questions based on this. So let's do this question. A boy cycles with a speed of 20 km per hour and travels for 10 kilometers. Okay. He cycles remaining 5 kilometers at the speed of 10 km per hour. So you have to find his average speed. You have to find his average speed. So find his average speed. So let us try do these questions. I'm waiting for you people. If you are able to do them, do these questions.
How can I tell?
Yes,
Sir, is it half km per hour?
half km per hour.
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
try to use the formula total distance by total time. Okay, so shall I start solving?
So 1 kilometer per hour.
How much?
1 kilometer per hour.
1 kilometer per hour. No. Okay, what is his total distance traveled?
15 kilometers.
15 kilometers.
Okay, so we first here note down. We make a note his total distance. We make here total distance is equal to 15 kilometer. And now we want to find out the total time. Okay. So for that, let us draw a small diagram which will represent his journey. So this is his journey. I break this journey into two parts. The first part being 10 kilometer at a speed of 20 kilometer per hour. The second part is 5 kilometer and it is at a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me how much time will he take to travel from A to B?
Sir, 30
30 minutes.
minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay. So I am writing here time taken from A to B. So time taken from A to B is equal to half hour or 0.5 hour. Right? This is your 30-minute only, which we get as 0.5 hour. Distance by speed gives you the time. So this is the time. Then the second time I can get time taken for, okay. So we have time taken from B to C. So how much time will it take from B to C? Yes, how much time will it take? Again 0.5 hour.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again 0.5 hour. So what is the total time taken?
1 hour.
1 hour. And total distance is 15 kilometer. See, the total distance we have got a total distance 15 kilometer. We know total time as 1 hour. So what is the average speed then?
15 km per hour.
Yeah. So we have our average speed as 15 kilometer per hour. So another similar question for your try. Will you do that?
Yes.
Okay. So see. Okay, see. A car travels a distance of a car travels a distance of just 1 minute, beta. So a car travels at 30 kilometer per car travels a distance of 30 kilometer at a speed of 30 kilometer per hour. Okay. It travels next 30 kilometer at a speed of 50 kilometer per hour. Okay. So find its average speed. So I think you can do this. A similar question, similar thing. So I'm waiting for your answers. If anyone is getting the answer, you can type your answer through chat. Okay, in the chat, you can give me a direct message. First of all, draw the diagram.
Sir,
Yes.
is it 37.5?
No. Okay, just let's check it. Whatever answer you are getting, put your answer here in message as direct message. Now let's see. So first time from A to B, we find out from A to B. Okay. So from A to B, we know the distance is 30 kilometer, and we know that speed with which it is going. It is going with a speed of 30 kilometer per hour. And so therefore, we can find out the time using the formula speed equals distance by time. Okay. So we can use the formula to find out time, where time will be given by distance by speed. Distance is 30 and speed is 30. So we get time as 1 hour. So we get this time as 1 hour. Then the second time is B to C. So from B to C, the distance is 30 kilometer and speed is 50 kilometer per hour. Okay. So the same, and now find out again time for B to C. We find it. For B to C, we have
Sir,
distance given by 30 kilometer and speed given by 50 kilometer per hour. So time we can obtain as 50 by distance by speed. So which will be 30 by 50. So you get 3 by 5 hours. Now we find out the total time. So we can, for the total time, this will be your 0.6 hour. Add them, you get 1.6 hour. So now we can use the formula total distance by total time. So average speed would be equal to 60 by 1.6. Okay. So student, divide 60 by 1.6. What is the answer you are getting?
37.5.
37.5. So I think I got one of the message before, Jitendra Reddy. So Jitendra gave the answer 37.5. Okay. Who else got the same answer? Okay. So I hope you have got this. Now similar question. Let us see another similar question for this. You see? Okay. Okay. So this question, that one I'm going to give you a little bit changed. A train travels first (60 km) with a speed of 40 km/h. So with what speed should it travel remaining 30 km so as to have an average speed of 90 km/h? Okay, so I give you a break for around 10 minutes. Okay, and at 6:05 we will join again. At 6:05 we'll join again, right? So till then, solve this question, take a break, drink water, whatever, and we'll join again at 6:05 sharp. Okay. Bye everyone. Good evening.